Hello everyone, this is Jerry from Longzhou Machinery. Welcome for watching this video. We'd like to introduce to you our sawdust machine, the hammer mill. Hammer mill with a different motor, different capacity and different model. It is suitable for wood chips, agriculture waste, and all kinds of rubbish waste. With this machine, you can grind the small chips to dust powder size, and you can have a look inside of this machine. They have an rotors with a lot of hammers on it. When it's working, it works with a very high speed. It has a sieve to separate the smaller dust and the bigger particles, and grind all the materials to sawdust, to dust. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Welcome for inquiry to Longzhou Machinery. Bye-bye.